That they were looking for people.
Just a kid just a kid who came to hang out with his cousin.
I'm just here to hang out with my cousin Dirk. Is that cool? If that's not cool, because then if it's not, then I'll go do something else.
That's funny. Well, I think that's yes.
We're good. Right?
Yeah. Again, I just Rick, you want to?
No, yeah, absolutely, guys. It's so funny. We do these appearances, and they all take on their own life. They really do, and it's really kind of based in who we're with. It's not about us just being talking heads to you. We appreciate you guys, offering your questions, asking us, and hopefully we've been able to be, very candid and very honest and very real. It's not about trying to say, oh, we're better than. It's really, we love you guys so much. It's why we come out. We really appreciate your input, your support, and so cheers to you guys. Thank you.